Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. This demonstration will assist you in creating a customer in your Sage 50 system. We will set up one customer with the basic necessities in order to enter sales for a customer. The customer will be set up with default revenue account and default taxes according to that customer's circumstances. The other options can be set up at a later date. This is a basic video to assist you in setting up your first customer with default taxes and default account codes to get you started. So let's go through the video and hopefully it will be helpful. So we're going to go into our customers or clients, and here's the create button. So we're going to select the create button and we're going to fill in the basic details of the customer. So it's ABC Company is the company name, and we're going to enter a contact, and we're going to enter a street address, and we're going to enter a unit number for that street address. We're going to enter a city and the province, postal code, and country. We're going to enter a phone number for the customer. These are just basics, which probably I don't need to review, but we'll just fill it out. We'll enter an email address and a website address. So those are the basics on the main screen of creating the customer. We basically want to get it set up so that we can enter a sale, and the rest of the details in the card file could be set up later. So then the ship to tab, you can use the default regular address, or you can change the shipping address as needed. Then the options, you can select a default revenue account. So we're going to select a default sales or revenue account for that particular customer, depending on how your chart of accounts is set up. And again, the rest of the details could be set up later. Now, the taxes tab, you can enter the customer's GST number if needed. Also, their PST number, you can enter here and say that they're PST exempt if necessary. And then this selection here, you can do the default taxes for each customer, whether they're both taxes, GST, exempt, anything. This is where you do the default. So we'll save and close, and that customer is now set up. And we close that out, and just to show you, we're going to do an invoice for ABC Company. So we're pulling up the invoice screen. Sorry, it just went on a glitch here. So okay, so ABC Company, and we just go through, it gives a default invoice number and date. Now, as you can see, the default account and tax code are set up, so we're just going to do a sale for $100. So everything's set up and ready to go, and you can print and post for that particular customer. So that's the basics, and hopefully that was helpful. Thank you. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.